Join me in creating some elixir blends to nourish the mind, body, and spirit. Hello, my name is Yarrow Willard and I'm a herbalist and the formulator for Harmonic Arts Botanical Dispensary. And today I want to talk to you about making your own hot tonic elixirs. Now, this is something we've been doing for a number of years, playing and creating with superfoods, medicinal mushrooms, herbs, and all of this kind of spectrum of nutrition to create inspired nourishment for the modern age. Today I want to share with you some of our new upgrade line that we've come up with, and that is the Makuna Machada, the Kickstart, Engage, Activate, and Elevate. I'm going to be creating each one in its own individual elixir and sharing how to do that with you. When it comes to bringing nourishment into the body, tonic elixir drinks are some of the best ways to do this. Not only are they a quick and easy delivery system into the body, it's also a great way you can upgrade the nutrients that you're putting in. So we have all these different blends that we've created that are a great base, but you can start to add in different things like your coconut oil and honey, which are going to whip up and create calorie content and increase the amount of energy you get out of them, but slow down the absorption. The other things you might want to start adding in are medicinal mushroom powders or tinctures, like so. Any kind of compound that way. If you've got superfoods you like to work with, you can add a little pinch of them, test them out, see how that is. Other things are spices you might add in, like turmeric or a little bit of cayenne, chili sometimes is great, ginger, cardamom, you name it. Other ways you might want to upgrade these drinks is to make your own nut milk to start with. So you can make that really simply, or just work with the tea blend that you're going to start with. So we might start with a tea. I got chaga tea, but I might harvest some wild mushrooms to add into this, add them into my tea. I might work with some other tonic, adaptogenic, immune herbs. These are some great ways to make your drinks awesome.